I made over $70,000 this month alone from day trading. Just today, I made $16,000 trading, which I think is crazy. You've probably seen me online trading and building my dream life. In the back of your mind, you're probably thinking like, could I do this too? What does it take to do this? Honest answer, you can, but not just from watching random YouTube videos or taking anybody's signals. This is Crystal Academy, where we make trading crystal clear. I thought it was cute. We have live classes, real teachers, and thousands of people learning the skill with you every single day. And we actually care about your education and not just telling you what to do, when to exit. We want you to be able to replicate that for yourself. I started with $1,400, no degree, no big account, so no, I'm not gonna tell you guys that you need to start with that either. You don't need to be a millionaire to learn this skill, you just need to be dedicated.
Have you ever tried learning trading online only to end up more confused than when you started? One YouTube video tells you to buy, another tells you to sell, and social media is full of people claiming they have the secret strategy. Before long, you're overwhelmed with information but still don't have a clear plan or the confidence to place a trade. If that sounds familiar, you're definitely not alone. That's exactly why so many traders have been joining Crystal Academy on WAP. Instead of piecing together random information from different sources, Crystal Academy provides structured lessons, live trading sessions, webinars, expert Q&As, and a supportive community designed to help traders build real skills step by step. When I was researching Crystal Academy, I didn't just look at what the Academy says about itself, I also wanted to see what real traders were saying. The first thing I found was this Reddit post from someone who had been trading for several months but still felt completely lost. They explained how YouTube, TikTok, and social media were full of different strategies, indicators, and opinions, making trading even more confusing. What they really wanted wasn't another random strategy. They wanted one simple, structured system they could actually follow. Then I came across this review from Chris. After spending a month inside Crystal Academy, he said the instructors were knowledgeable, supportive, and genuinely passionate about helping people learn. According to him, the community made it much easier to improve as a beginner, and he even recommended the Academy to anyone who was still thinking about joining. I also found this review from Sammy, who said joining Crystal Academy completely changed their trading journey. They described it as if everything finally started to make sense. They also mentioned that the Academy isn't just helpful for beginners, but also offers value for intermediate and more experienced traders because of the mentors, live sessions, and active community. Of course, everyone's experience is different and no trading course can guarantee results. But if you're looking for structured education and a supportive trading community, these are some of the reasons many people decide to give Crystal Academy a try.